Hey BlockDag miners, ready to cash out your BDAG coins from the X1 miner app? With the main nets now live, withdrawing your earnings is finally possible, but you need to follow the right steps to avoid hiccups. Open the BlockDag X1 app and check the settings tab to confirm the main net is live. Look for a mainnet active badge. Ensure your BDAG coins are migrated from DevNet or testnet, shown in wallet, then balance. Connect a compatible wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask via Wallet Connect in settings, then Wallet. So guys, after that, in the X1 app, go to the wallet, withdraw, then select your BDAG balance up to 20 daily from mining. Choose your connected wallet and enter the amounts. Confirm the network and check for fees, around 1%. Submit with your app PIN or biometric login. If you're using a BlockDag payments card, withdraw directly to it for ATM cash outs. After that, once a BDAG hits your wallet, transfer to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Sell BDAG for USDT or fiat, then withdraw to your bank. Transfers take 1 to 10 minutes due to DAG speed, but exchange processing varies. Monitor transaction history in the X1 app for status. Double check wallet address as well, wrong ones lose coins. Questions? Share them below. Guys, like and subscribe, follow our channel for more tutorials like this, and as always, thank you for watching.